If you are a clipper, you already know short form content is king. But manually clipping long form videos takes so much time, which can make it harder to find viral clips. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a full breakdown here in WayinVideo on how to use their editing clipping software. And if you guys have not heard of WayinVideo, it is a clipping platform that helps convert long form videos into shorts. And I'm going to be walking you guys through the entire process today. So first, let's find our content that we are going to be putting here into WayinVideo. So the content I'm going to be using is on Doeslow. There are multiple campaigns on here. If you want to check it out, I'll have it linked down below. But essentially, they have tons of campaigns on here you can choose from. I'm just going to use this first one right here, and it's currently paying $1.27 per 1,000 views. So I'm just going to click the YouTube video link right here. And once you have the YouTube link copied, you will then go to YouTube video link right here, and then paste YouTube video link, click the green arrow, and then you can select the language. Obviously, I'm just going to leave it on auto. Clip length, you can select however long you want it to be. I'm just going to keep that on auto, and then I'm going to click create viral clips. So now everything is loaded, and there is actually a new feature on here called AI montage, where it will turn multiple clips into one video. And this essentially means AI will find the best moments from your selected clips, arrange them intelligently, and creates a polished, publish ready video. So if you want to try that out, you can. So now we have all of our viral moments ready, and it generated 44 viral moment clips, and you will see that each clip has a viral score, and it pretty much just tells you how likely this video is to go viral. So obviously the top clip here is going to be at 95, and then as you go down, the viral score is going to go down, but still all of these clips have a potential to go viral and to make money in this campaign. And I want to give a big shout out to WayinVideo for sponsoring this video. I have been using their clipping tool for a while now, and if you're a clipper out there, it genuinely saves so much time. So if you guys want to try it out, I will have a link down below, and you can try out the free plan. You'll get 200 credits, and then essentially once you're in WayinVideo, you'll get all your clips, and then you can edit each clip one by one. And what you'll do, you'll find the clip you want, and you'll click open in editor. But there is a new feature on here that we are going to be using. It will save you so much time. We are going to click bulk edit, and as we click that, you will then select the clips that you want at bulk edit. In this case, I'm going to select all the different clips, and now click bulk edit again, and now we will get all of these different features popped up right here, and you can select whatever you want in here. So I'm going to click resize. Obviously, we're going to make sure TikTok is selected. We're going to do subtitles, because obviously on these clips we are going to want subtitles, and you can select any style that you want. There's a lot of different options you can choose from. I'm going to choose this style right here, and then if you want, you can add emojis, which I'm going to select. You can add them into your captions. You can have B-roll if you want that in your clips, and I don't want that, so I'm not going to select that. You can have a hook text, and this is where it will generate attention grabbing text hooks in your clips. You can select clean audio, so if you're clipping content that has music in the background, make sure you select this because it'll remove the music. In this case, I don't need that. Remove filler words, I am going to select this, and it removes filler words like and things you want out of your clips. And also remove silences. This will remove silent parts from the clip, so it'll keep your viewers engaged. I really like this feature right here. So this is our custom layout right here, and if you also go to presets, there are also already presets selected right here for styles that you want or you want to select. So you can go through all, or you can go through podcast, gaming, different layouts that you can select, but I'm just going to keep this custom one that I just made here, and I'm going to select apply to 44 clips. And now we are going to wait for all these clips to process, and then we literally won't have to do any editing at all to these 44 clips. So let's wait on this. So a bunch of these are still processing, but a couple have popped up now. So as we can see, we can already see a preview of the clip. So I'm going to watch this one real quick right here.
And everything's changing. I feel a difference in my digestive tract. I feel different in my body. Everything is feeling so much better.
So this clip is ready. I'm not going to do anything else to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post it directly to my social media TikTok account through WayinVideo, so we don't have to do a bunch of exporting and then going to the app. Of course, you can do that if you want to. So to post directly to your social media account through here, click post to social, and it will already have you a description and hashtags. And as you can see, you will see different accounts. I have this account selected right here, which I'm not posting to. I'm going to be posting it to a different one. So I'm going to click manage accounts. I'm going to select TikTok, and then I'm just going to connect my TikTok account here that I'm going to post them to. So now I got it selected. So make sure you have the correct one selected. just in case you don't want to post it to a wrong account. And so I'm not going to change much at all. You can have these things selected, like allow users to comment, duet, and stitch. Obviously, you want to keep those on because that'll help your video. You can add a custom thumbnail. So if you want to add a custom cover photo, you can do that as well. In this case, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to click publish now. And then again, if you want to schedule it out, just click schedule. So now I'm back on Duzlo and you want to submit this post. So then you're back on the campaign, go to submit post, and then you're going to paste the URL of the TikTok video or whatever platform you posted it on. So after you submit that clip on Duzlo, you can essentially rinse and repeat with every single clip on here after you use the bulk edit feature here on WayinVideo. It'll save you a lot of time with not having to edit. It will bring the TikTok title cards on there. But again, if you want to do more editing to these clips and if you want something extra, just click open in editor and then you can go through all of these different things. Here are the captions. So if you see anything that's misspelled, you can adjust so if notebook was spelled wrong, you can adjust it right there. So once you're on the reframe and if you want a different layout, I'm going to click full if I want it to look differently, which will look just like this. Change it to any style you want, and then you can go to sound and subtitles if you want to adjust more to this. You can go to upload. So if you want to add any sound effects, which I actually have one uploaded into here, and I have a sound effects pack you guys can use, which I will have linked down below, that you can use to these clips. So you can add more things into your clips. So if you want to add a bit more to it with adding sound effects to certain moments. If you go to elements, you can see there's videos, photos, stickers you can add to your videos. There's a B-roll feature, so if you want to add stock footage, AI B-roll, custom B-roll. For audio, you can add in your own music if you'd like. And then of course, there's transitions if you want to do that. And then for details, this is what your clip's about. And then the description it will use when you post it directly from WayinVideo, so you don't have to think about any of that. And one last thing I want to share that's actually a new feature here on WayinVideo is this game clipping feature. And for this new feature, it will automatically find and clip the best moments from multi-hour game replays. So if you guys are clipping any gaming creators out there, this is another great feature. And so what you can do is actually go to Content Rewards. This is another clipping app that you can make money from, which I will have linked down below. Tons of campaigns on here. I'm going to search gaming just as a quick example. I'm just going to click this one right here, for example. You can join this campaign. I'm going to go to the content and I'm on his Twitch. And for this example, since it's Twitch, you're going to go back to WayinVideo. You're going to click other links, click Twitch, and then you are going to paste the Twitch video link into here. So that is exactly what I'm going to do here from one of the Twitch gameplay videos that was on his channel. And with this new game clipping feature, obviously you can select your language, how long you want your clips to be. You can say what kind of moments you want. If you want funny reactions, emotional moments, high energy scenes, I'm going to click funny reactions. And then if you want to select a certain part in your stream where you want clips from, you can do that. So I'm going to do it for this specific area right here. And then there's a ton of different style presets you can select. So you can check out each of these styles for depending which layout that you like. In this case, I'm just going to have this first one right here. And if you want, you can select custom and then change anything from there. But I'm just going to select one of these presets and then I'm going to click generate clips. More clips are still processing, but as we can see, there are a ton of clips that are already popping up right here with having the face cam on top, gameplay on bottom, and it just got done loading. It made a total of 37 clips. And so this is one of the other features you can use with WayinVideo when you are doing some gaming campaigns out there. Definitely want to check out this feature right here as it reframes the face cam and the gameplay for you. If you guys have any clipping questions, please let me know. Clipping campaigns is the new way to make money on TikTok. I myself make money through the TikTok Creator Fund on an account, which I've heard it can be difficult to make money with. So clipping campaigns is the new way to make money, especially if you're a new clipper, don't have an account over 10K followers, then this is the move. Check out these clipping campaigns on Duzlo or any other campaign apps that you can find. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to help out in any way I can. I've been using WayinVideo more than a few months now, and it's really helped streamline my clipping process. Anyways, if you guys found value in this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate the support on the channel. And I also have a free Discord community, which I will have linked down below. So you can also ask me questions in there, or other people can help you out during your clipping journey. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.